Okay, so I just drew my blood. Here's my Band-Aid to prove it. Take off my tourniquet. And here's my butterfly setup, still attached to the vacutainer. There's my card. I'm first gonna see if I can get some blood out of the needle, but that looks small, so maybe I'll just go right ahead to cutting the tubing. So I've got my sharps box, got my scissors. I'm gonna cut off just the needle and leave a lot of tubing left. Okay, so I cut off the needle, dispose of the sharp. Now I'm over here over the dry blood spot tube, and I can actually disconnect the bevel from this plastic thing and see if the air will be enough to get drops out. So I'm gonna hold the tubing over the dried blood spot, slowly undo that. Yep, okay, so that's still a sealed system. So what I'm gonna try to do is just very slowly milk drops out of the tubing and see if I can get that to be a controlled drop onto the dry blood spot paper. So that's not proving to be very easy. Let me see if this will in fact unscrew. Yep, it will. So now I'll have air in above the blood, and I can see whether that will lead to some drops occurring. So there's a nice drop coming out now. 1, 2, 3. I'm not milking it at all at this point. 4, this is just the air and gravity. 5, and I'll put that right in the sharps container. Get rid of that. And not perfect, but actually a pretty good blood spot card, and no spatter at all. It was really quite easy. So maybe a pretty good experiment.